Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. Today I want to show you how to create a pin in Pinterest. So firstly you go to your business page and hit the little button here to add a pin. Now I'm going to my Etsy listing. Now you can pin if you've got the app, you can pin directly from there, but I don't want to. I'm just getting the listing code of my listing. You only have to copy and paste up to the string of numbers. You don't have to copy the whole thing. There's benefits to not doing that. And then we'll paste that in the destination link. And I'm taking the image that I've used for that listing saved to my computer. And then for a title, now I've done some SEO on what my title is on Etsy, so I'm just going to copy some of the title. In a future video I'm going to show you how to do keyword research for Pinterest, but right now I'm just doing the basics, putting in a title and then a little bit of text to talk about what this pin is about, duplicating up the keyword data that I've got in the title. At the minute in time, there's no ability to add tags. There was a couple of weeks ago, so Pinterest is changing by the minute, but our metadata, our keyword data wants to be in your title and in your description. So I'm make sure it's written for a customer. Make sure it's written for someone searching rather than for the computer. Now you can add hashtags here, but we will talk about hashtags at a later date. This is just a basic pin that we're putting up. So something cool in your description, a title that hopefully has some keyword data in it that's come from Etsy, that's come from what you decided on Etsy, and then something in your description that's encouraging for people, that makes them understand what you've done. I sometimes write about the dog that I've drawn here if there's interesting things about that. And then once you've decided on that, we have to choose which board you're going to pin that to. So this goes to my dog drawing board. And there we go. We have created a pin. But Pinterest likes certain size of pins, like everything else. So let's have a check out in Google. What size should a Pinterest pin be, and see what they tell us it should be. So when I search for that, what does it tell us? 600 pixels by 900 pixels is a recommended size for a Pinterest pin, or a ratio of 2:3. So taking that data, I'm going to go into my photo editing software. Now, no matter what you use will work, hopefully, that allows you to change different sizes of canvas. I am in Photoshop Elements, so I just create a new document, tell it the width I want it to be, and then hit OK, and that's going to create a blank canvas for me of the size that I want. And I'm just going to paste in different layers of what I'm looking for here. As you can see, I want my little dog's head that's going to be the pin, and then the original dog's head, the sketch that I've made, and then the dog's head that the picture came from. And then text can be good for eye-catchingness, people stopping browsing, and red's a good colour, so I'm making a square in red to be a background to my text, and then I'm just going to write in a bit of text over it. Saying what this is. This is like a pattern interrupt. Something like this can catch the eye. It tells people what your pin's about, but it hopefully just makes them stop and look at your pin rather than just images. It's a little description of what's going on. So if I write that in, I create a layer of text, and I'm just writing in what I think, what this pin's about. Now you can save a blank file into the shape that you want. You can save a blank file with just your written text, so you paste in the pictures. But then when I save that, then that's something I can use as a pin. And if we look at the pins that I've put up so far, you can see I've got a range of different types of pins. Experiment with different types of pins and see what is going to work best for you. So yeah, I'm going to talk about some different types. I'm going to tell you what's working the best for me, but at the minute in time, just experiment. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in my next video.